Children, we have already learnt about phonic sounds of A. Now today we are going to learn phonic sounds of E. Okay? Read the following words loudly. The first phonic sound is E-S-S. S. What? What is the sound? S. Okay? Ma plus S is mess. M-E-S-S. Mess. C-E-S-S. Cess. Here the C is, even though the C sound is K, when it is coming with E, the sound will be cess. Okay, not kess. Cess. PR is pr sound. Pr plus S is press. Pressing. Okay. Then C and H sound is cha. Cha plus S is chess. You know the game that we play, right? Chess game. It's a board game. Okay. This is chess. Guess. G-U-E-S-S is guess. D-R is dr sound. Dr plus S is dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. B-L is bl sound. Plus S is bless. B-L-E-S-S, bless. C-R, cr sound, plus E-S-S, cress. C-R-E-S-S is cress sound. Now let's see this. H-E and hen. These are all words we have already learnt last year, right? Hen, pen, leg, tea, bell, key. Okay? If you see, E is highlighted in red. Okay? These are all E words. Now let's see the next word. E-A-T, eat. What you do? Eat. That E-A-T, when you add some other alphabets to it, it becomes a different word. Okay? N plus eat. Na plus eat is neat. Neat means very clean. Okay? Neat. WH is work sound. What sound? Work. Work plus eat is wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. See here, this is wheat. What is shown over here in the picture. Okay. B-L is bl sound, right? Like you learned here. Bl plus eat is bleat. H is her sound. Her, eat is heat. Heat means you feel very hot. This is heat. See here? Fire. What does fire do? It gives us heat, warmth. S is sir sound. Sir plus eat is seat. TR is tr sound. Tr plus eat is treat. T-R-E-A-T, treat. Okay? Now the next sound is L. E-L-L is L. J-E-L-L, gel. W is W sound. W plus E-L-L is well. See here, well. S-M is sma. Sma plus L is smell. You smell, right? B plus L is bell. B-E-L-L, bell. T plus L is tell. T-E-L-L, tell. F plus L is fell. F-E-L-L, fell. Okay? Last two. Okay? What is this? E-E-P. Eep. E-E-P is eep sound. B plus eep is beep. B-E-E-P, beep. S-W is swap sound. S-W-E-E-P, sweep. K plus eep is keep. Okay? See here, this is what? Sweep. Sweeping. Okay? P plus E-E-P is peep. Peeping. You are peeping into something. Okay? Sh, S-H is sh sound plus E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P is sheep. See here, sheep. Okay? J plus E-E-P. What is the sound of J? Ja. Ja ape. Jeep. J-E-E-P is jeep. Okay. Last word, ent. E-N-T sound is ent. R plus ent is rent. R-E-N-T, rent. D plus ent is dent. D-E-N-T, dent. S-C is sa. Plus E-N-T, scent. S-C-E-N-T is scent. See a scent bottle. Okay. S-E-N-T is also scent. This means send. Okay, you send something. Then T plus E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. See here, when you go out for camping, you use tent where you will live. Okay. S-P is spa. Spa plus ent is spent. S-P-E-N-T, spent. Okay. We have to learn all these. I will write these on the board and send it to you. You have to practice it in your notebook. Okay children? Thank you.